Hello traders, welcome to a new weekly breakdown video from FX Elite Club channel. In this video I will start by sharing my watch list and which trades we are waiting for this week. Actually I'm gonna share some of them we are sharing and using on the VIP channel, so some of them will be signals on our VIP channel. So basically we are sharing free signals with you here, so watch carefully and try to make a good benefit of this video. So I will show you my watch list for this week. Actually basically it's all up to EURJPY. So we have US 30, gold, GBPUSD, Euro New Zealand and EURJPY. This is what we are interested in this week. So let's start with US 30. Actually, this is a trade that is still running on our VIP channel on US 30, and it achieved so far 800 pips, but we still in it, still running. So if you didn't enter, actually I shared this trade with you in the last breakdown video. As I said, the Dow Jones will go up from here, so as you can see it moved 800 pips. So if you missed the first entry and the second entry that was here, actually there is a third entry as US 30 is going all the way up, so we can predict that US 30 can go up again from this number 23,750, around this area, touching the trend line and go all the way up. Whenever you see a good bullish price action around this area, whether around this box or around the trend line, you can enter directly a buy trade, and actually Dow Jones is going to 25, so it will go up from this area. You can enter here all the way up to 25,000, which will be 1,220 pips to the upside. So it will be a great trade. Wait for a good price action, bullish price action around this area, around this number. As you can see, this blue line is a strong number for US 30, so we can predict that the price will go up from there all the way to 25. So this is for US 30. What else we have? Gold. Of course, everybody is interested in gold, but I have to say it has been so chubby. As you can see, the movement is not good. Price action is really weird. We have lots of wicks, lots of stop hunting, so be careful trading gold. I will share with you a trade. Well, as you can see, we had this downtrend line that has been broken. As I said, you can enter a buy trade from here. The price came all the way back to retest the trend line. Actually, if we went to a smaller time frame such as 1 hour, sorry about that, what we can see here, we have those two price action candlesticks. This red one was good, but this is much better. Actually, gold is moving very, very fast. You could have entered a buy trade from this candlestick, but I have to say the price moved incredibly fast in like 1 minute, all the way up. As you can see, it moving fast, but I can see that the price can go back again around this area, and you can enter a buy trade. Actually, gold on a bigger time frames is referring to being bullish, not bearish. So I believe gold can go up again. So you can wait for any retracement around this area, around 1,700, and take it all the way up. If you are an aggressive trader, actually you can enter a buy trade right now. It's okay. So this is for gold. Let me change the time frame first. Oh, I forgot to say something about gold. As long as we are above this uptrend, small uptrend, as you can see, we have a higher high, a higher low here. So as long as we are above this uptrend, we are bullish in gold. We are not selling until we can see any break of this blue line or the trend line. So this is for gold. Let's move to GBPUSD. Okay, let me zoom out. So what you can see here, we had this trend line, we had this aggressive movement on GBPUSD all the way to the downside. But if you took a look, you can see a pattern. So I think the pattern will look more clear on the daily time frame. Sorry. So what you can see here is a double top. Here is the first top, and this is the second top. We have a double top. This is the neckline. Let me change the color. So we have this pattern. We have a double top around here. After the price moved all the way up, it made a double top, refers to a reverse. So we can wait for a break of the neckline, which is around here. This is the neckline, the red line. This is the neckline. We can wait for a break of the neckline, wait for the retest and enter a buy trade. Actually, it will look good on 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we cannot enter by breaking the trend line, as we had many fake breakout of the trend line and the price did not go back down again. So we need to clear out this low by breaking the neckline, retest it once again, and then we can enter a sell trade and actually take the target as the space from the top all the way to the neckline. This would be our target. Let's see how many pips from here to here. We can have around 400 pips as our target. So this will be great. We need to wait and see the break of the neckline. So Euro New Zealand. Actually, this also I think is a pretty cool and a pretty good trade. What we have here, the price has been moving in a downside trend and making a really good waves to the downside. And right now we have this number 1.77500, which is a pretty strong number for Euro New Zealand. And right now the price came all the way up above it. But we have this counter trend line. Well, I believe Euro New Zealand will continue its way to the downside. I believe it's a bearish direction. But I have to say that I will need to wait for a retracement. And spaces in Euro New Zealand are pretty big. So I think I'm going to take an advantage of the retracement and enter a buy trade all the way to the place where I think the price can go and retrace to the downside, and then I will enter a sell trade. So I will enter 2 trades in Euro New Zealand. The first will be, as you can see, we have this trend line. If we saw any break of the trend line and retesting back 1.77500, we can enter a buy trade from here. Let's put a trade with a pretty tight small stop loss. I think my target can go all the way up to 300 pips. Why? Because I think the price can retrace around one of the Fib levels. So let's draw a Fibonacci. Actually, I can take it all the way up to here. That's okay. And whenever I see any bearish price action, I will close the trade and enter a sell trade. So I will enter 2 trades in this. So I will need to wait and see a break of the trend line, retesting 1.77500, and then enter my buy trade with a tight small stop loss up to like 50 pips or 60, and then I will enter a buy trade, stretch my target all the way to any of the Fib levels. We have 61, 71, 78, any of the Fib levels. And once I see a bearish price action, I will close the trade and enter the sell trade that I have been waiting for. But I have to say the main direction in Euro New Zealand is bearish, not bullish. So if you're not really into entering trades that are not in the direction of the currency pair, you can wait for the sell trade around any of the Fib levels and enter a sell, and do not enter the buy trade if you don't want. So this is for Euro New Zealand. We have also EURJPY. Actually, we shared this trade on our Telegram channel. You will see the trade with its stop loss and its targets. We have on the public channel. It's a free signal for you. You can go check it out if you want. So as you can see, the price has been moving in a pretty nice trend line, on trend line. Let me adjust it. Yes, as you can see, this is a really cool downtrend line. So we will also wait for a nice retracement of the price, and we can take it all the way down. Our entry will be around this area. I believe no. Our entry will be around 117. This is the trade that we shared. Yeah. It's more secured not to wait for the price. See, you won't wait for a price action. 117 is a very good and very strong number for EURJPY. So we put our trade there, and you will find our stop loss also on our free Telegram channel. You will find the link for the channel in the description book. You can go there and check out the trade and check the take profits and the correct stop loss. So we will wait for the price to go all the way up to 117, and we will enter a sell trade. So this is our weekly breakdown video. Hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it. I hope you can catch great tips. I have to say this week is a very good week in the market. There is lots of good chances. Actually keep watching us and keep following us on Telegram and Instagram. We share free trades there and free signals for you guys. And as you can see, the last video actually achieved 200 pips for free, only for free trades. So keep following us, keep watching us, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate, leave it in the comments, or you can find all our links in the description box. Just go there and contact us, and one of our team will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are having a nice day, and I will see you guys in the next video.